5 secrets the credit bureaus don't want you to know, revealing the secrets one at a time. Who are the credit bureaus? First, the so-called Big Three consumer reporting agencies with which most Americans are familiar are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. These are not government-sanctioned franchises. They now dominate as the main credit bureaus. A credit bureau is a company that collects information from various sources and provides consumer credit information on individual consumers for a variety of uses. They get paid to put this information on your credit report. They are not paid to validate the information. The FCRA, Fair Credit Reporting Act, is a federal law that details how consumer information can be collected, given out, and used. Our main focus is to reveal to you the 5 secrets the credit bureaus don't want you to know. We reveal this information to you free of charge. Once you go through each of the 5 secrets, you will understand what and why the credit bureaus don't want you to know this crucial information. Secret number 1. The credit bureaus don't want you to know that when they reinsert a negative item back on your credit report that they have previously taken off, they have 5 business days to notify you in writing. Failure to notify you, the credit bureaus will be liable under the FCRA, Fair Credit Reporting Act, Part A, 5BII. You can sue the credit bureaus and be compensated $1,000 for the credit bureaus violating the FCRA. Secret number 2. The credit bureaus don't want you, the consumer, to know that if they fail to respond to your written disputes within 30 days, a 15-day extension may be granted if they receive information from the creditor within the first 30 days. You, the consumer, are protected under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA Section 611, Part A1. You can be compensated $1,000 for the credit bureaus failing to do their job. Secret number 3. The credit bureaus don't want you to know that if they refuse to correct information after you've already provided proof to them, this is considered defamation of character and willful injury. The FCRA Section 623 protects you, the consumer. On June 9, 1997, Cushman versus TransUnion won in the Court of Appeals. To determine how much you can be compensated is deemed by the courts. The courts will evaluate the extent of the damages. Secret number 4. The credit bureaus don't want you to know that you can view your credit report online for free every day if you wish. You need to get first a copy of all 3 of your credit reports from www.annualcreditreport.com. Look at the top of Experian and Equifax. There will be a confirmation number or a report number. Go to the websites of Equifax and Experian, scroll to the bottom. There you will see either review report again or dispute items, and follow the links. You can view these reports as many times as you want, and you can save money by not signing up for a monitoring service. Secret number 5. The credit bureaus don't want you to know that you, the consumer, have rights. They, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, want you to think they control everything. They, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, they want you to think that everything they put on your credit report is accurate. Actually, over 79% of the information on your credit report is inaccurate. You, the consumer, have the right to dispute anything on your credit report that you feel is inaccurate.
Think bad credit has a hold on your life? Think again. Master your credit and start living your dreams today. Remove negative items from your credit report in 5 simple steps. No matter how much money you have in the bank, if you have bad credit, you're going nowhere fast. It's such a humiliating thing to be refused for something on the grounds of bad credit, or penalized every time you even think so much as about purchasing something. Or even worse, denied the ability to get a new credit card or loan. The system sadly doesn't care about any of us, and the sooner we accept that, the sooner we can take action and actually start to control our own lives.
And here are the results. Let's take a look at this. Deleted, 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 deleted. 12 out of 14 items deleted. This new information right here, these are 2 items that didn't come off, but that's okay, because in round 2 we attack it again and we're going to get those 2 items off. But on the very first letter, using the clean credit letter sent to TransUnion, 12 out of 14 items were deleted. How many times have you sent letters to the bureaus only to have them say verified? It's a letter and go to the post office. You can do this yourself. You don't have to pay people thousands of dollars to clean your credit. What would this do for your world right now? How much is having bad credit holding you back? If you're a business person, it is really holding you back. You can't get financing. You can't get a credit card. You can't get loans to expand your business, credit lines. You can't do anything. You can't buy real estate. And just as a regular person, you can't get a credit card. You can't buy a car. You have to go to a buy here, pay here lot with bad credit. You can't get a mortgage. You can't rent an apartment with bad credit. You can't even rent a car with bad credit. There's so many things you can't do when you have bad credit. Exact letter that we used with the proof that you just saw, and I'm going to provide all of this to you today for only $97. That's it, complete. You get the instructions, you get the exact letter that we used. You can use this letter as many times as you like to clean all 3 bureaus, and you can do it yourself. That's the best part. You don't have to rely on anyone else. And to order now, just click on the link below. It'll take you to a checkout. You check out, it's going to redirect you to a website where you can download the instructions in the letter instantly. You are seconds away from getting this information and changing your life. You can have your letters typed up today and mailed out to the bureaus. In as little as 20 to 30 days, you can start seeing results, and you're on your way to having a clean credit profile that you did yourself and an entirely new world with having excellent credit. So I thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and click on the link now. I wish you all the best of success and good luck.